Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear from the application. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application. Right here, when you open it, you will see this menu and you need to click Manage your earphones at the top. Right here we have our device and we need to press and hold at this device. And here it is, we have Remove Earphones. Click at this button and then click Remove. And now, as you can see, we just remove it from the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!